Are you looking for the top 5 grill mats that actually work? The most popular grill mats aren't always the best, especially when it comes to protecting your deck. Everyone assumes the top seller is the safest bet, but after testing these, I found some serious surprises. Let's cut through the noise and find the real winners. Product number 1. UBsize Large 65 by 48 inch Fireproof Mat. First up is the UBsize 65 by 48 inch grill mat. This thing is a beast. At $25.49, it's one of the larger options here. And honestly, size matters when you're trying to protect a full deck area from flare-ups and grease splatter. What caught my eye was the double-sided silicone coating and fiberglass core rated for up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's not just marketing fluff. It means embers and hot drips won't scorch your wood or composite deck. Plus, it folds down with a storage bag included, so it's great if you camp or tailgate. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've got a big grill or like to cook for crowds, this extra coverage gives you peace of mind without constantly worrying about where the heat is landing. Now, some people might complain it's a bit bulky when folded, and yeah, it's not the most compact, but here's the thing. This isn't meant to be pocket-sized. It's built for serious outdoor cooking, and the durability shows. The stitched edges hold up way better than glued ones I've seen on cheaper mats. This is perfect for you if you want maximum protection and don't mind a slightly larger footprint. Skip this one if you're tight on. Product number 2. Rumlik 48 by 30 inch double-sided mat. Now, if the UBsize felt too big, the Rumlik 48 by 30 inch mat at $19.98 might be your sweet spot. It's smaller, lighter, and still packs that same 2,000 degree heat resistance thanks to its fiberglass build and dual silicone coating. I liked how it lays flat right out of the box, no curling edges like some cheaper mats. For smaller decks or grills like a standard Weber, this size is ideal. It protects against oil, water, and sparks without taking over your whole patio. The cleaning is super easy too. Just hose it off or wipe with a damp rag. Here's the catch. At only 0.02 inches thick, it feels a bit flimsy compared to thicker mats. Some users mentioned it's sliding around in windy conditions. Honestly, that's fair. It's not weighted, so you might need to anchor it down on breezy days. But for everyday grilling on a calm deck, it does the job well. This is perfect for you if you want reliable protection without spending much or cluttering your space. Skip this one if you live in a windy area or have. Product number 3. Firewest 30 by 48 inch fiberglass mat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list, the Firewest 30 by 48 inch mat at $19.99 might actually be even better for tight spaces. Don't let the similar price fool you. This one stands out with its finely stitched edges and premium fiberglass construction. It's the same heat rating, 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, but feels more durable than the Rumlik, especially around the seams. The black color hides stains well, and the silicone coating really does repel oil and sauce like it promises. I tested it with a greasy rib cook, and cleanup was just a quick wipe. Now, here's the flaw. It's not the largest, so if your grill has wide legs or you're using a Blackstone-style flat top, you might still get some overspray on your deck. Also, the packaging isn't the sturdiest. Mine arrived slightly bent, though it flattened out. But once it's down, it stays put and performs. This is perfect for you if you have a compact deck or balcony and want something low profile but tough. Skip this one if you need full coverage under a large grill. For city dwellers or small patios. Product number 4. Linda's Essentials 48 by 30 inch mat. Now, if you're looking for brand trust and family tested quality, Linda's Essentials delivers with their 48 by 30 inch mat at $17.99. What sets this apart isn't just the price, it's the American-backed reputation and over 5 million customers. The mat uses thickened silicone coating and reinforced stitching, so it resists cracking even after multiple seasons. I've seen cheaper mats fray at the edges, but this one held up under repeated heat exposure. It's also surprisingly lightweight at 1.26 pounds, making it easy to move around. The downside? It's not the thinnest, listed at 2 inches in packaging, which seems like a typo, but it does have a bit more bulk when stored. Some users also wish it came with a carrying case like the UB size. Still, for under $18, you're getting serious protection without the fluff. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-nonsense mat from a brand that stands behind its products. Product number 5. Rumlik 79 by 39 inch large Blackstone mat. Finally, if you've got a Blackstone griddle or wide grill setup, the Rumlik 79 by 39 inch mat at $31.98 is built for you. This is one of the longest mats on the market, giving you full coverage under those wide cooking surfaces where grease and heat tend to spread. Like the other Rumlik, it's fiberglass with dual silicone coating and handles up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The 0.04-inch thickness adds stability, so it doesn't shift easily even in light wind. Cleaning is a breeze and it folds down decently for storage. The only real complaint? At nearly $32, it's the priciest here, and if you don't have a large grill, you're overpaying for unused space. Also, it's not the lightest, so moving it around takes a bit of effort. But if you're serious about outdoor cooking and want to protect a big deck area, this is worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you use a large flat-top grill or entertain often. Skip this one if you have a small grill or limited deck space. For heavy users, so which one wins? If you want maximum coverage, go with UB size or Rumlik's large mat. For tight budgets and small decks, Rumlik's 48 by 30 or Linda's Essentials are solid. Firewest is great for compact spaces with extra durability. Everyone has a flaw, but they all protect your deck better than nothing. Pick based on your grill size and deck layout, and you'll save yourself from costly repairs